Hey guys, thanks for coming and joining my live stream. So just for today, I'm going to be deleting some of those older videos that I just had up. So basically, I've just passed my 5k funding account challenge, which is freaking awesome. Let's log into that. Wherever that is. Okay. Sorry guys, give me a sec. Just to close it down, yeah. Sweet, so just passed my 5k funding account challenge. So yeah, I've just, so obviously you can see that this is step 2. Profit target $0 left, so we're fucking killing it. So we've got that that done. So the 5k master account is now secure. So now we're on to the 10k. So tonight we're going to be trading the 10k from now on. How awesome is that? So now we're just scaling my trading and hopefully we just keep passing these challenges. So yeah, awesome guys, let's crack into it and yeah, enjoy. Oh fuck, that was a trade. If I can enter right here, I will. If price comes back up to here, I'm going to enter. So we'll go, come on, move past it, right. Let's go there, okay. So that's it now. If we do that, it's 36, 5, 46. Do pending order. If that hits there, then I'm going to enter on that sell limit. 7, 8. Fuck. I hate this already. So we go 16, 15. That'll do. Sell limit. Confirm. Bang. Alright, so we've put a sell limit order here. Risking $100 on the 10k account. This is the first trade that we're taking. So looking at this, we need to enter right. Don't you hate that when you're like, there's always another bust, right? But it sucks sometimes when you're missing a trade. So we'll go there. That's where we're at. Go 1 to 1. There it is. There it is. So hopefully price comes up, taps us in. May not, but hopefully it taps us in, right? So if we go here, price on, so what's the price on here? 18,335. So I might just have a market. Oh yeah, looks like we might get tagged in. I'm just gonna have that sitting right next to there and just see if we get tagged in. Otherwise I'll do a market order 0.15 lots. Okay, looks like we're getting in. Okay, we're tapped in, boys. Let's go. So first trade of the 10k account challenge. Right now balance sitting at 10k. Reason I entered this trade is because obviously we're bearish. We've got clear momentum towards the downside. I consider this, so we're hitting the 786 of the whole leg. So I'm not too concerned about that. We've got, I consider this a double top, even though, you know, whatever. But yeah, okay. So we'll just see how this trade goes, right? So our take profit needs to be at, we've got to be sitting at $100 take profit. Boom. Is that set? Fuck, I don't know how to use match locker. I've just, I've accidentally, so if we go, so yep, we close, we don't touch that, we go, oh yep, take profit. Here it is, so we go take profit, bang, $100, boom. So hopefully we get 1% up for the night, that'd be nice. So yeah, hopefully we kill it tonight. And I'm just going to start deleting some of those old videos that I accidentally put up. So YouTube Studio. So yeah, so I'll delete that one, delete forever. Now I just got to figure out whether or not is my mark on. Yep, sweet. What do we got here? I just watched that for a second. So that's that one. Yeah. So yeah, my delay should be a lot quicker now. I've just changed over to a new streaming software. So now if you guys want to ask any questions, I'm signed straight in. The delay should only be a couple of seconds, right? Which is awesome. Instead of like a minute. Looking good thus far, but look at that. 1% straight up. Let's go. Let's go. So let's watch the chart and let's see what else we can get. Obviously I got this trader here earlier, which imagine if I held on to that. That would have been fucking sick. Yeah, that's the trade that I took earlier. That got me funded. And then this, now we're up 1% on the account. Let's go. Yeah, all good, Smoker. So what I did was I did a shitload of back testing, right? And then I said to myself, look, I'm not gonna be fucking stupid with my money. I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna grow quick. I'm gonna grow like 5K, 10K, 20K, 100K, 200K, you know what I mean? Like I wanted to prove to myself that I can pass these challenges and I want to work my way up. Right, because I'm planning to be a trader for the rest of my life basically. So at the moment we're going to a 10K challenge, right? So I just bought a 10K account challenge and now we're sitting at 1% on the 10K account. So yeah, I don't care. I'm just I just want to grow slowly. So obviously as soon as I pass the 10K account challenge, right? I'll probably look at doing like a 25K account challenge. So it'll grow pretty quick, man. Like it only took me a week and a half to get the 5K. So it shouldn't be too bad getting the 10K, hopefully. Hopefully it goes just as smooth. Yeah, well, exactly. But I've been trading for about 3 years now, and I've lost lots of money, like trading account challenges and losing them. So I've only just back tested the shit out of this strategy, and I'm still proving it to myself in live time that I'm actually consistently profitable with it. So Yeah, that's the first challenge I've actually traded with this strategy. So I don't want to waste any money if this strategy isn't consistently profitable in the live market, right? If that makes sense to you. If that pops up. Top chat, all chat, live chat. So one thing you'll probably notice, Smoker, is my delay should be a lot less. Yeah, that's it, Smoker. I could do that. I definitely could do that, mate. Yeah. To be honest, maybe I'll still got like that that fear of, you know, wasting like, because how much is a 200k account? Let's have a look. You're tempting me. Oops, maybe I'll just fucking go for 100 account. You're tempting me. Let's go. It's 100k account. Oh fuck. Looks like Funding Pips only offers a 100k account. I'll have to go somewhere else, maybe. It's only giving me the option of, yeah, 100k account. But yeah, tempting, very tempting. Like, so I just bought that, and then now I bought that. And then I might go just straight to 50k or 100k. Tempting. Let's see if this looks right on this screen. Does that look? Let's try that. Capture. No, it still looks dark. How about that? No, that's shit. Shit, okay. But yeah, you're tempting me. I'm very tempted. Yeah. Yeah, I might just do that because I've already secured the master account, right? So maybe get like 5-10% on it and just fucking use that straight up for like a 50k challenge. Why not? It's not like I'm I reckon that's the way to go. How's your trading going, bro? You still funded? Do you feel are you still blowing accounts and stuff, or you fucking do you reckon you're profitable? I think you spoke last time about you had like 100k in funding or something. I remember you doing well. Oh yeah, Yeah, 50k, yeah. That's still pretty good, man. Do you notice the delay's a lot better on the stream? Do you reckon I fix that? Like it should only be like 5-10 seconds in terms of delay. So now like if people really wanted to, they could probably take the same trades as me. Yeah, awesome, man. That's great. Hey, yeah, good, man. I'm doing well. I've just passed the 5k account challenge. Now I'm on to 10k. Let's go. I love that now I've gotten rid of the delay now. Because before you guys would like send me a message on here and then I'd reply and then it would take like a minute or two for you to actually get my reply. Which is like shit. But yeah. Let's get the trading view back up on there. It's good that I'm YouTubing because it's sometimes you get pretty bored sometimes staring at the chart for ages. Waiting for like another trade entry to spot. Yeah, man, I passed it. I'll show you. Let's go. I'll show you. Hang on. Yeah, good man. Yep, definitely trading support resistance. Mainly price action with support and resistance and momentum. Like, where's the momentum? So, like, obviously, like say, looking at the 15-minute, right? Are you looking to be a buyer right now, or you're a seller? Like, that sells to me. Like, seeing price up like that, I'm a seller. Right, so I'm looking for sells. Plus, obviously, support and resistance, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, I know. Problem is, it was only 5k account. But, I would be much more happy when it's 50k account. We'll see. But yeah, once I hit 100k, I'm gonna once I get 100k in funding, I'm probably gonna look at doing like a course or something. And since my YouTube channel's so small, I might just like sell it for like $5 or something. Like, I don't know. Or I might do like a free one-on-one trading session where I actually like go through my strategy with someone for free. Like, maybe thinking about it. So after 100k, obviously just keep scaling, because that's what I want to be, is like a full-time trader, right? And then probably after I've proven that I'm 100k plus funded, I'll probably open up like a course and like start doing one-on-one trading. Reason why I want to do that is it's a selfish reason too. Yeah, 1 million. Yeah, selfish reasons as well, because once you're funded, you might be profitable 6, 8, 9 months out of the year, and then December, January, I don't really trade those months, because every time I backtest January, December, I'm normally losing because the market's shitty. So yeah, or maybe run a party or something, but yeah. Not yet. I just got a message from Funding Pips that hang on, I'll show you if you want, but yeah, Funding Pips, they said to me, I've got to wait for this day to be over for my 3-day trading period, because you need to trade for 3 days on your phase 2 account for them to give you the master account. And so now it's been 3 days, now they have to wait 24 hours to give me it, and that's why I just bought the 10k account straight off the bat, because I'm like, well, I can't trade that account, so I have to buy another one. But yeah, seriously, I reckon maybe if I got 100k funded, I reckon I should have a party. Yeah. Yeah, what's the best and worst part of being in the photon? So I'm not even in the photon group anymore. But the best part about it was, I don't know. Best part about it when I was in there was all the psychology stuff, the market structure stuff, that all helped. Well, that's just with my back testing, right? And normally in December, most traders are off for Christmas and stuff because everyone's thinking about their turkeys. Like obviously early December I'll still trade, and then maybe like late January is when I'll start trading. But if like, I don't know if you look at the chart during January and December, but normally a lot of traders and banks and stuff are on holidays, so there's not as much liquidity in the market. But yeah, every other month of the year I notice when I backtest it looks good. Yeah. So yeah, with Photon, I think Matt's a good teacher, and I think his strategy definitely works. But yeah, a long throw between trades. Like, I don't know if you've seen a YouTube channel. I'll share this dude's YouTube channel. This is a guy I used to watch that does Photon. Jordan Goes Long. This guy. So this guy, his name's Jordan Goes Long. He was with Photon before I was, and he kind of got me into Photon looking at him, and yeah, he does like back testing, and he'll do like a whole 3 months worth of back testing, right? He'll do a whole 3 months worth of back testing, and if you look at the results at the end, hang on, let's look at the results, right? So this isn't just me testing, this is someone else, right? So look how much he made in January. He made, maybe 10%, Feb 11%, and then March 0.6%. So you'll trade for a whole month to make 0.6%. But yeah, like the frequency, look, that month there, I only traded LC2A because I couldn't get LC1 profitable when I was backtesting. That would be 10 trades in 3 months, like. Yeah, well, that's another reason why I trade 1-to-1. Like, if I'm trading 1-to-1, even if I'm gambling and I'm jumping into a stupid trade, I've still got a 50-50 chance of winning, right? So regardless, like say I take 10 trades, and if I got the general direction correct, I should still win 50-50 if, so that's a part of it too. It's the whole psychology aspect. If you go 1-to-1, you've basically got a 50-50 chance, but then if you get the market direction right, then you've got higher probability. If you've got good price action, higher probability, and then if you got, you know what I mean? So that's why I trade 1-to-1. Well, that was the original idea behind it, right? So if you trade 1-to-5, 1-to-4, your win rate's going to be like, instead of 60% to 70% win rate, it's like 20%, 30%, 40%. I haven't really seen anything else yet in terms of the chart. Like, you could just keep entering on these momentum candles, but just with the way I back tested, yeah. Yeah, if you look at, I don't know, if we look at December, right? So let's go 4 hour December, July. December. Is it here? December. Actually, December, I probably would have did well in 2023. I was doing like 2022 and stuff. Yeah, well, look at December. It was just up, 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 up. That would have been actually really easy to trade December. Up until the 15th. And then price just manipulates around a bit. Yeah, but that's what I mean. Like, I can still trade December. It's just like late December when there's Christmas and stuff. Yeah, my wife is looking after him. My son Lucian, I love him so much. That's another reason why I'm trying to become full-time trader, right? Is, you know, instead of working all day, I get to spend time with my kids. I'm 29. I'm almost 30, man. Thanks, bud. I'm glad I'm aging alright. Yeah, so I'm actually an electrician, right? So I'm a full-time tradie. So I go in a van and install wires, switchboards, lights, you name it. So I'm still working, unfortunately. I normally work 6 days a week as well. So normally when it's a Sunday, I'll relax and then I'll bust my ass doing some back testing. And then pretty much every afternoon I get straight on to trading after work. 'Cause yeah, I want to make this happen. But I want to do this legit, right? I want to like show people I can actually do it. I want to prove it to myself by actually like live streaming my trading for free and just like pass challenges and become profitable. Get 100k plus funded. That's my goal. That's my goal for this year. If I can get 100k plus funded by December, I'm gonna be very happy. Cause then I can start having some real decent payouts, right? Yeah. You're good there, man. I was only break even with Photon until I just fucking something snapped, man. And I got that new mentor, but then I created my own system out of his system. So he used like moving averages. He uses moving averages. He trades high time frame, like 5 minute and stuff too. And I just fucked around on FX Replay for ages, man. Like, and then I started trading the 1 minute, just fucking around, and then I start 1 month turned into 2 months, 3 months, and then 4 months, and then I just noticed how often it was hitting really well, just 1-to-1. But my mentor, a lot of the stuff he's taught me, yeah, is a lot of trades I take, yeah. You gotta develop an edge, and then you gotta backtest that edge for over a year worth of data. That's what I do. Over a year worth of data, and then notice what months you're profitable. All that, it shouldn't matter, but it's good that you break even, man. Like, break even's way better than just like losing all the time. I had so many stints, man, where I was so depressed, bro, because I'd be like trading for months on ends with Photon. I got 2 payouts, and then all of a sudden for like 2-3 months I didn't make anything. Like, I just kept the account, but I didn't make anything. And I wouldn't get like trades for like a week, 2 weeks, and the whole group never got a trade for a whole like 2 weeks. And I was like, fuck this, man. Shit. Like, it's sad. Yeah. But yeah. Photon does have an edge bar. It's just, yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I'll show you. So if we're talking about how many trades I've taken a day, so I'm only trading DAX, right? But I generally get, if we just look at my live trading where I passed the challenges, I did 22 trades in 6 days. So roughly per night I'll get, anywhere between, so most nights I'm getting 4, 5, 4, 1 trade and 8 trades. Hang on. Yeah, so as you can see there, 4 trades, 5 trades, 4 trades, 1 trade, 8 trades. Obviously that night that I did 8 trades, I was actually like kind of fucking around because like that was last week when I passed that phase 1. Then if we go phase 2, this is the phase 2. I do 2, 4, and then 1 trade to obviously pass tonight for that phase 2. Hey TJ, how you going, man? Good to see ya. And then obviously, now we're doing 10k, which is freaking awesome. I'm so happy things are working out. And we're already at 1%. So very happy on that. I'm just waiting for an entry. I just want one. And it's also good even just having the YouTube live chatting with people because it helps you remember all the shit you learn when you tell other people it. But yeah, I normally trade from like 5 PM my time. Yeah. Psychology helps, but yeah, with the way people make YouTube videos on it, it's bullshit. Yeah, it doesn't matter that much. You just need an edge and just don't move your stop loss. Just don't move it. Just like once you pick your edge, like say 1-to-1 like me, with just like my stop loss above the high here, just fucking stick to it. Ride or die. Like even the other night, I was so close to passing the front of the counter challenge and I moved my stop like this, and then I was just like, nah, fuck you gotta move it back. Like you gotta tell yourself to just keep it there. Yeah, man. So indicators, I'm just using anchored VWAP. So you can actually go over here and go. Where are you? Anchored VWAP. See, it's volume based. I'm volume based indicators. So you go anchored VWAP, and I normally go at the start of London session. And then I've also got standard VWAP. Now with VWAP, it's kind of doesn't matter that much, right? Like price will just go through it. Like don't rely on indicators, rely on like price action. So as you can see, even with this trade here, I didn't rely on any indicators. It was just boom, price action, right? I see that as like a double top, even though, but it's not really even just a price action. It's like what's going on in the high time frames. Like price is just dumping and I'm just looking for an excuse to get in. Like it's bearish as hell and I just want to sell. To be honest, you could just look at that and go, yeah, that's a nice candle, I'll sell there, nice candle there, I'll sell there, and then nice candle, I'll sell here, and sell here. Like it just, yeah, but it's not bullshit, but I like to see when something breaks a high and then keeps going down. Like even something like that, see how that shot up, broke a high and then kept going down. That's what I like to see. It's like a high broken and then shooting back down. Price is pretty slow right now. Sweet, so I might just pause my mic for a little bit, my camera for a little bit, and I'll go grab a drink. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let's go. I'll probably leave the webcam off just because, just in case the little one runs in and says hello. Might even put on a game. Let's see what games I got. Let's go that. So yeah, price is really slow right now. It's just fucking around. Alright guys, I'm looking for a sell on this one. If price breaks below this low, I'm looking to sell that. Now that nobody's watching. Lol. Let's put on a pending sell on that. We'll go new order, pending order, we'll go pending. Stop loss above the high right there. Go 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's go. We'll go 18. Let's go sell stop. Let's go. Boom. Let's look at the high time frames. If we look at that, okay, price is just dumping down. I think price is going to at least break this low here. Looking at so this is clearly a demo account because it's a funding account challenge, right? So they use demo, and then once you pass the challenge, it's still demo, but they just pay you out. But I consider it like a live trade, right? Because I put real money in to start the challenge. But this is definitely like the funded account, right? Like boom. Wow. I should have been tapped into that trade, so maybe I should do a market order. Hang on, let's have a look. Oh, it hasn't broken the low yet, but I should take a sell on that right now. So then, fucking lows. Hang on. There we go. I'll take a sell. Boom. There we go. And then I'll get rid of this pending order. That's close enough. So that's sell 0.18. So now I can put my take profit. I might just lose the 1% that I made tonight, but who gives a shit, right? Just gotta let my edge play out. Let's see. Yeah, it didn't break the low. Fuck, I'm stupid, man. I should have maybe, oh, that sucks. Yeah, I should have waited till it broke the low. If I'm lucky, it'll go down and continue. That's fine, man. You can buy. Like, there's good reasons to buy, right? Like, we're sitting right at support on the high time frames. Like this 4-hour support, right? Just as I trade the 1 minute, I more take into consideration what the current market, like what's the market doing right now, right? So yeah, I can easily be wrong. Like I'm only right 60% of the time, like 60-70% of the time. I'm not right all the time. And I should have waited for this low to break. So it might be even worth jumping out. No, I'll just accept the loss. And then if it breaks the low, I'll re-enter again. See how we go. Take profit should be $100. That's good. But yeah, good thing about what I did was, I guess, nothing, because I should have waited for it to break the low. But, oh well, we're stopped out. Jumped in too early. Now I'm just gonna get lucky. It's whether or not I get lucky. This my stop loss sitting at $83. I'll give it the full 100. So yeah, a lot of stops. Oh well, my fault. Yeah, exactly. Yep, I was liquidity. I got wrecked. I jumped in before it even broke the low, so I wasn't trading my own trading plan. So I just lost $80 on that. Fucking see, man, I do stupid shit like that, but oh well. Yeah, my trading plan is if it breaks the low, right? And it didn't do that, so yeah, my bad. Refresh that. Where are we sitting at now? Yeah, okay. So now I'm only up. Now I'm basically break even for the night now. I'm like $16 up. That's about it. But I still wouldn't look for buyers, right? Just because of how bearish it is, like overall, but yeah. There's definitely something there. Like if you do that as like a support and resistance, like you could do that. Something there, right? Now, like you're right, but I knew I was wrong anyway. I should have waited for it to break the low. So I didn't even listen to my own rules. Trade was more like this. But it should have been on the break there. How's your trading going, bro? You put on any trades tonight? You could say that, man, but at the moment I'm still looking for sells. Even though there is support and resistance there, I'm still looking for sells. Like the good thing about what I do is like I can be wrong on the higher time frames, but all I need is a clip out of the market, like a just small little 1-to-1 on the 1 minute. So I can be wrong about the high time frames, but this could easily just keep going. Yeah, nice. Are you trading DAX? Are you like long the DAX right now? And so like basically me thinking about shorts is like going against you. Yeah, good man. Look, see, it's still going down. Maybe. So you never know. I just, if I knew it was continually going to go down from here, I would have just held onto my sell, right? But that's why I just do one of the ones. I just want little clips. I'm not trying to predict long, like super long term. Like I just, if the market's going down, I'm just going to keep selling with it until it like proves to me otherwise, like very clearly. Yeah, like, so now would be a sell, which I might take that offer on that. A new order, sell market, boom. Bang. Fuck. Entered late. Great. Piece of shit. To sell that. There we go. Well, at least that order's a little bit more nicer. But I might go, yeah, I'm happy to take the sell on that. And then if we go, geez, it's a bit of a distance to my take profit. Is it hitting a good enough support and resistance that I wouldn't want to sell it anymore? To be honest, I might even have to go half. Like, unless it's completely dumping, I'll probably exit early, to be honest. Yeah, you reckon? Yeah. Now that you've told me now, I might even just take that take it early, or close it early. Just depends. If it like just starts dumping very hard, I'll hold on to it. If it's just fucking around, like just going down slowly, I'll just fucking close it. I think yeah. Could definitely be right, man. We'll see. I might just be liquidity again. Where the fuck are we aiming? Where are we aiming? If we go, where's the? There's no like tool on here to actually add. Like, there's no tool on here to actually fucking mark where you gotta go. So if we go here, 1 to 1 from here to here. Right, we'll go there. Okay, 1 to 1. 1 to 1. So if we go profit level there, then we'll go turn off that trading view shit, and then we go, okay. Yeah, look, if it fucks around and it just keeps going up, I might just close the trade. If it just dumps down, like if it just keeps dumping down now, I'll stay in, but I might actually close it early if it just fucks around. Go take profit. Ooh. Yeah, there's a big support resistance there. You know, right here. It's just taking liquidity here. Yeah. I might even just take this out for a small profit and tighten my stops. Ugh. Even though this could be a winning trade, right? But just mentally, I'm not in a good headspace. I reckon might be worth taking like a 5-10 minute break and then coming back to the chart. So if I go. What's going on here? Yeah. Just not in a good headspace, I reckon. Fuck. What's going on here? There we go. Like I might just. Yeah, that's it. I'm just umming and ahhing about this because I'm taking this as like a double top, but that fucking high is way super high. Like this trade here, at least the high is closer to the high, this high. But with this high, it's like double the height of the previous high. Like it just, like I've got the direction right if I'm just thinking short term. Hey buddy, hello. Milk. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. A computer. That's right. That's right. Computer.
2, 3, 4, 5.
5. That's right.
Look.
Yeah, that's right. There's different colours.
They're cute. Oh wow,
That's right, man. That's right. That's it. Yeah, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Yeah, that's it. Huge TP to reach, man. See, this is more looking like a trade. What I might do is, if this breaks this low, I'll do another entry. I'll add to the position, but then I'll put my stops from this trade above the high here. That's what I'll do. We'll go pending order. Can you turn on the light, man? Can you turn the light on? Stop it. Lucian.
Okay.
You okay, mate? Yeah, that's right. That's right, man. 0.
dolly.
So,
Baby dolly. Baby dolly.
that's it, mate.
Baby dolly. Go.
That's right. Go.
Oda. 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 Go.
1 second. I'm gonna get my wife to get this little troublemaker out of here. I'm back. Yeah, so, yeah, thank you. I'm just looking for a good reason to move down my stop loss. But I don't want to just jump into a trade until I'm sure. But yeah, so what I leave Photon, trade frequency. Barely any trade frequency. Like, you might like get 5 trades in a month. Like, yeah. That's why. But it's profitable. Like, I've gotten a few payouts with Photon. It's just, you know, you might be sitting there at the chart for like 3-4 days and not get a single trade. That's the problem. Well, that's good for you, man. I only did Euro USD. How much percent do you roughly make? But like, if I like say, for example, like I managed to pass this challenge here, like phase 1 in about like 6 days, and then phase 2, and just pretty much the spot on 3 days. So that's pretty good, man. That's 5% plus 8%. That's like 13% I've made in like the last 9 days. So yeah. Well, that's awesome. Yeah, when I was backtesting, I did Euro USD only, and I did London session only because I work full time. Do you trade London and New York, or just London? Because that was my problem too. I only had a couple hours to trade every night. I don't have like fucking 12 hours to spend it on the charts. Yeah. Like how, yeah, that's probably a big issue too. Because with Photon, I could only trade London. And every time I traded multiple pairs, if I lost, I would lose all 3 pairs at the same time. So I had to pick one, and then every time I realized, yeah, Euro USD was my favorite, but I got a few payouts with it. It's just trade frequency was just not there for me. Whereas I like to trade one pair if I can. Yeah. I used to do that too sometimes. I used to like have like Euro, GU, AU all open at the same time and then look for a trade, and then if I found one I really like, I'll enter that. But that wasn't profitable for me. I had to just do Euro USD when I was doing it. But yeah, I'm just looking for an excuse to move my stop down. At this point, but I might just top out at about 50% up here because yeah, I'm just not feeling it for this trade. I just wanted to break a low for me. Yeah, exactly. We're sitting at stop loss wise, so that's $10. Just wanted to break a low, but I might not do it. Nice little double bottom there. Off the support and resistance. Came up about 50%. Move my stop down as it went in my favour quite a bit to there. Am I still bearish? Yeah. Is there support and resistance here? Is there a level here? It's almost hitting 250. 250 is right there. So realistically, I don't want to try and get through a brick wall if there's like a handle there. There's 300 here. 1,300. That's good, man. Like, if Photon's working for you, man, that's great. There's a little fair value gap in there if I wanted to think about SMC. Yeah, it's up to you, Mohammed. But I'm happy with the way I'm trading now. You know, right now, fucking killing it, man. Like I just made 13% like less than 2 weeks. So yeah, it's fair enough. Like, fair enough. Maybe I was misinterpreting. Like, people sometimes just look at the market differently, and you know, I might have, but I did the course for like 6 months, and I even got a payout, and I even left them a really good review inside the Discord, and you can see inside the Discord there I like made, that's how I got the, like that's how I got on the Funding Pips leaderboard up here, and I got like payouts and stuff. That was all Photon. But it just stopped working for me, and I just wasn't, Yeah. Like I just felt like the height, it was just, yeah, it just wasn't working out for me, man. Maybe I'm just fucking stupid and wasn't learning properly the way Matt was teaching, but the way I'm trading right now is just, it's working so much for me that I can do live trading and actually feel confident that I'm probably going to pass challenges and make money now. So, which is good, right? Whereas with Photon, a lot of the problem was too is like I'd place a trade and I'd love to wait all night and check on it during the night when I'm trying to get sleep. That was a big one too. It affected my sleep cycles. So that's one thing that kind of fucked me up as well. And news. Fuck, I need to check news. Forex Factory. Make sure there's no news I'm running into right now. Hang on, what's this? Yeah, we're alright. Not till 9 PM. What about here? Yeah, holding those trades overnight, and then when a news release hits, or like if there is news, you can't trade. So you don't know. Yeah, that's it. That's it, Mohammed, for sure. I think I had a lot of time constraints too. That was probably affecting. And I also think I got ADHD too. So when I was back testing, it was very easy for me to get rush through picking my POIs. Like you probably saw my videos where I'd like rush through when I'm picking my. Alright, I'm closing this trade. That's fucking. Maybe. Close the smaller one on that. But that's like double topping now, right? So if that breaks it, that bottom there, I'll probably do a re-entry. Do a sell here if it breaks the low, right? If this high holds. No. Yeah, it looks like the support might be holding up. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, yeah. Market does change. Definitely. What's that? It's 18,300 handle. Oh, really? Yeah, 150% in a month backtesting, but now it doesn't even work. Oh shit. Yeah. That's rough, man. Yeah, because I learnt during the old entries, and then when they changed over to LC2A, I started doing that. I kind of think it went to shit. LC1, I kept losing money on LC1, and then I only did LC2A trades. Yeah, exactly. You don't get tapped in. Whereas with the way I trade now, it's mainly like once it breaks a low, I'm in, boom, market order. But yeah, this sucks. Just bought a 10k account challenge, and we are like probably 0.5%. Says it was $16 up, but we're probably $50 down, like 0.5% down, which is alright. Like I was 2% up earlier, and lose 0.5%. Hey man, good to see ya. Just waiting for price action to be a bit more aggressive. Right now it's just fucking chopping all over the place. I got chopped up, lost 0.5%, as well as the initial 1% I made over here. Oh no, it was over here. Yeah. This price is real choppy. Oh yeah, man. That's the biggest thing about this. Like if I show you fucking how I've been going the last 2 weeks, like I get eight trades. This is all one pair way. 8 trades, 1 trade, 4 trades, 5 trades, 4 trades, all just one pair. And it's all just during London session only. Like 2-3 hours I'm on the chart, boom, done, 8% done. Yeah, like I'm in and out so quick, I don't have to fucking go to sleep and like have any anxiety about my trades or news or anything. Like I don't have to worry about shit. Like it's really good. Really good for my psychology. Alright, I'll take a sell on this. Let's go one more time. I'll probably take one more sell tonight, and then if this doesn't work out, I'll just take... But I'm waiting for the low to break this time, so we'll go market, stop loss, go here, and we're going to go pending order, pending, bang, what's that here, bang, ooh, that's too high, fuck. Yeah, I'm happy with that. No, I'm not. Let's go that. Wait for it to break the low, but I reckon once it breaks this low, the support's probably not going to hold up. Australia. One pair, man, just DAX. Just DAX. And the reason I do that is it's purely because it's European session. I could try and trade the FTSE. Just right now, I'm just really happy with the percentages I'm making. You know, yeah. When I was backtesting, I was doing like, that's it, smoker. But I left the trade early, so I didn't get smashed so hard. I left like around here. But right now, you're right. Like it looks like the support's holding, so it might be buy time. Like it looks like price has come down, swept liquidity here, and it's probably going to shoot up. Like it's probably going to shoot up. It's a money symbol. Yeah, so it's obviously swept liquidity from this low here. and then price just might continue pumping up. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Being in Australia is shit, man, but it's good because I work all day, come home, get like an hour or half an hour to quickly get my shit together, and then I go back into looking for a trade. And then I can trade for like maybe 1, 2, 3 hours and then go to bed. Yeah, cancelling that order. Pending orders, get rid of that. Yeah, that's good. I'm jealous. Well, what do you do for work, but that allows you to trade all day? Like, yeah, it's a problem too. Or are you a full-time trader already? Good question, podcasty. Well, it's basically demo because it's a funding account challenge. If you've ever done prop firm funding, so what it is they give you a demo account to trade on, and then once you trade on it, and you make a certain percent, which is like 8% plus 5%, they give you a 5k account, and then you trade on that account. So I've just done phase 1 and phase 2, so now I've unlocked that. So now tomorrow they're going to give me a master account, and then with that master account, it's basically like I'm kind of trading live, but it's not. But it does mean that if I make like say 10%, I get to keep 8% of it, and they send it to my bank. So I'm making money. If you're aware of how prop firm trading works, right? Nah, you can't say it's a love account. Yeah, awesome. That's good that you only need to make $1,000 a month. Like my bills are fucked. Like I gotta spend, like I got a full on house and mortgage and everything. So my bills are. Yeah, like I can't wait to become full time. It's gonna be so good. I'm close, but I'm this close. Yeah, I know. And Australia, we got the highest minimum wage in the world, but we're also one of the most expensive. To just give you a perspective, like a standard house to buy around here is like 800,000 to 600,000 Australian, like just to buy a house. And my weekly bills, like say if you were to rent somewhere down the street, it'd be like $700 a week just to rent a house. Like 700 a week to rent a house. So I need to be making, 10k a month minimum, but then I need to account for losing months, right? Or like a period of if I'm stupid or whatever, or I don't make any money. So I need to be making like 20 grand a month, I reckon. So I need to be making like at least 100k a year trading, I reckon, for me to go full time. But if I could get, if I can get access to like 2 to 400k trading funds, I'd be there, I reckon. So I'm hoping within the next 45 minutes the trade sets up. Because probably in about 45 minutes I'm going to shut off the computer. Are you, any of you in a trade right now? Any of you making money? Or anyone losing money? Right now I'm just seeing nothing. It's just like too much consolidation for my liking. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. So it sounds like a lot of currency conversion going on. 37,000. Yeah. Yeah, so prop firms are really good, man. Like I've gotten payouts from funding pips before. They do it directly through crypto, so I like funding pips Their challenges are super cheap as well. So if you fuck up, it doesn't feel like a big deal to just buy another one. But obviously I like to not waste any money anyway, so yeah, I like funding pips. As soon as I pay my money, I get the account. And they're one of the cheapest top 5 prop firms. If you're rich and you got heaps of money and you know your strategy's profitable, like you know your strategy's profitable 100%, and you already got other accounts, FTMO, so they'll pay out. They'll definitely pay out. And then funding pips. Nah, futures are shit. Like, people keep going on and on about futures, but if you go to futures, let's just look at the 1 minute chart on futures, right? 1 minute chart trading on futures is shit, in my opinion. Just every time I was trading it, hang on, it's fucking DAX, FDAX, right? That's the DAX. Just look how different the chart looks. Like it still works. Don't get me wrong, but I always find this spread is a little bit nicer on CFDs for some reason. Like, but the VWAP looks like it's actually more accurate because on futures, it's a centralized exchange, right? It's down, yeah, okay. But yeah, I've tried Apex before. I always found that when I traded on Apex and then I traded on like a CFD platform, the CFD, I always got better entries. I always never got slipped as easily. I always just found CFDs is so much better for me when I'm trading off the 1 minute, right? So maybe like a 10, like if you're trading longer term, yeah. But futures, you don't get all the Forex too. Like you can go like the Forex if you want, like some Forex pairs, but I just reckon CFD is the best for what I'm doing anyway. Like, look how different that looks. DAX, that's the DAX. And then, oh, that's delayed, but that's heaps delayed. This is more choppy on DAX. Whoever was selling here will get whipped out. Hang on, what's that looking like here? See how different that looks? See, like that, like say you were in a sell here and your stop loss was here, you'd still be in there. But say if you were fucking on DAX, look at that, bang, bang. Gaps up, wipes you out. Like I also noticed you get wicked out a lot easier on the futures. For some reason, just fucks you up. Whereas this, see that? You don't get wicked out if you were in a sell there, right? But I just noticed there's way more gaps and stuff in it, and yeah. What time was that? It was during New York. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, I was with my Forex funds as well. I got $1,000 payout from them, and then they went, and then by next month they were shut down. I was actually doing really good on my Forex funds. I can't be mad because I only put $50 in on the account, and then I got $1,000 out, so I got my money's worth out of them. But no, I wish I was, man. I wish I was. Price is just a bit choppy for me right now. I'm not really seeing a clear direction. I really hope I get a signal soon. So I'll be on for like probably another half an hour and then I'll just call it quits. If I can't find another trade. Like even if you wanted to flip the script and go for buys right now, I'm just not feeling it. That's good. I'm glad Photon's working for you, man. I just wasn't working out with what I was doing. But nice work. Only $100. Yeah, so my Forex fund was my first decent payout of like $1,000 on like a 5K account. Yeah, and I've still got Photon. Like I downloaded, when I was doing the course, I recorded myself doing study notes while I was doing the course. So I've kind of got it downloaded because I was hardcore into it, man. But I've watched like all the Photon videos like 3 times and it just fucking, like it says in the course to do it 3 times. But yeah, it's just. Have you, is any trade setting up for you, Mohammed? You getting anything on your pairs? Like right now, if you're trading Photon, you got no chance. You're not getting any trades here. Man, I've spent probably, realistically, I've spent like over 20 grand on courses. That's how like stupid I am. I bought like a 5 grand course. I bought a 3 grand course. I bought a fucking $500 course. I spent so much money on trading courses, man. Oh wow, so they added newer entries to Photon. Fuck, maybe I should rejoin, but I'm trading so well that I don't want to look at any other courses now. Like with me managing to pass the challenge in less than 2 weeks, making 13%, I don't want to look at anything else because it might fuck with me. That's the problem. Well, it's good that you got access to Photon a bit, but yeah. But yeah, man, I've spent way too much money on courses, more than I could afford. So I'm fucking working like 6 days a week. Yeah, exactly, I won't. For sure. My backtesting was too good and my trading's been too good. Like I passed funding account challenge live pretty quick. Yeah, happy. Okay, now I'm interested in a trade. If it breaks this low, happy to take a sell on that. If that loses, I'm off for the night. We'll go with that. So spread would be that. If it goes down, right? If it keeps going up, I'm not interested in a buy right now. Yeah, I'm losing interest now, yeah. Never mind. maybe this 18,300 is gonna hold. It might. Yeah, I'll go up. Let's go, where are ya? Too many fucking tabs open, so I'll go pending. And I'll go, that's that. That's the high. I'll go 0.15. If it goes lower, 17. Yeah, fuck yeah, man. Nice work. But how do you know to get out 1 to 6 or 1 to 4.5? I don't know. Like, do you have like a technical based target? Like, do you target liquidity or target a high? Is that what you go for? Is that how you like determine between 6 to 1 or 4.5 to 1? Oh, trailing stop loss. Okay. Trailing style, yeah. I get you. This one's probably going to be a cancel. Probably not going to enter this trade anymore. Yeah. Not entering that. Might check out other time frames. Got 1 hour. Something there. Yeah, I even bought Guerrilla Trading style course, Guerrilla Trading, and that's trading hourly chart only with the trailing stop loss. But yeah, that was good. I've seen a guy over $1 million in funding with that strategy, but again, that was a bullshit strategy. You'd be staring at the charts 24/7, man. It's fucked. You don't want to trade like that. Five minutes definitely looking bullish. Double bottom here, price comes up. Double bottom here again, price comes up. Price comes up, bang, bang. I'll take a sell on that. But if this loses, I'm pending. 0.25, bang. Oh, fucking missed it. 2.6. If I don't get in, I don't get in. Looks like it's tagged me in. So what's my reason for entering this trade? I'm hoping 18,300 is going to hold. Yes, the 5 minutes looking bullish, the 15 minutes looking bearish, but I consider this like a little double top, but I could be completely wrong, and I might even just get smashed right now. It's looking pretty fucking bullish. I'm using this support and resistance as my reasoning for entering the trade. Yeah, it looks like I might be off for the night, legends. Might be off. I think I'm off for the night. I think that's it. Yep. Fuck, that might be it for me. How much longer we got? 20 minutes. Yeah. Don't know. Starting to take too many losses now. We'll see. If this breaks this low again, I might go in again. Let's go 2-7. I might have my stop loss a little higher because I could have saved myself from getting fucking stopped out then if. Nah, stick to that. So it hasn't broken that high yet, but on this it has. Yeah, we'll see. This is looking like better price action to me if it breaks this low. So I'll go there, and then a little bit extra for spread, which is that. And then if we go 2-3, 2-2, 2-1, sell, stop, bang. If it just dumps down, right? Yeah, Hakanashi candlesticks, is that what you're talking about? They're good. Cancel that order, by the way. Yeah, we might be looking bullish. Definitely could be looking bullish at this point. My little support and resistances have kind of failed in terms of a sell. So yeah, so far we are looking pretty shit on this 10k account challenge. We are down 1.37%. Is that right? What's my equity sitting at? I feel like it was worse than that. No, 1.37%. Yeah. So I just need one win and we're almost to break even. if the anchored VWAP is going to hold. Is there a good reason to enter on that anchored VWAP bar? Not really. You watch, now that I bought a 10k account challenge, I'll just end up blowing the 10k account, but I'll get a payout on the 5k. That's probably what will happen. Somehow, somewhere. Nah. Oh yeah. Footsie's looking like a sell. For now. But yeah, I'll stick to my DAX for now. Alright guys, I'm not really feeling any more trades tonight. It was very good early in this session when we had momentum and volatility in the market. All my trades were hitting. But yeah, as price started to consolidate, I tried to take a sell here. And then I tried to take another sell here, which I cut at 0.5% because I wasn't confident in it. But in recollection, I shouldn't have even entered this trade here because it didn't even break the low for me. So that broke one of my trading rules. So realistically, I should still be up for the night, but psychology, I guess, was the important factor here, was just making sure I don't enter early, and I should have left my pending order there instead of getting greedy and trying to enter early as price was dumping. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys showing up and giving it the time. Hopefully you guys catch some trades tonight, and good luck.